Hello and welcome to Max Talks, your one-stop shop for everything personal finance, job searching and personal development. So without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into the Trading 212 review for beginners. So if we open up Trading 212 for the first time, when you open it up, you'll be met with this screen. So I'm going to go through a few of the features because you may as well, and I'm going to say like what I do and what I don't like about it because it might be good for those of you who have invested or maybe considering switching platforms or want to start for the first time. So to navigate around, at the top here you've got a few different headings underneath, which makes it nice and easy to navigate around, which is something that I really do like about Trading 212. It's got quite a clear interface. You've got different widgets at the top and at the bottom. So you've got like top winners, top losers, popular stocks, US stocks, UK stocks, and also you can edit these as well. You can add different ones up here, different headings, so that you can kind of have it how you want it. So you can kind of customize it a little bit, which is quite nice. Another big advantage is in the top left here, you can see that there's a orange INV sign. So this basically means that like I'm investing using a normal account, if that makes sense. So down here you've got three different ways which you can invest using Trading 212. One of these is on CFDs, which I'm not going to go through today, and if you're a beginner I would really advise to steer clear of this because this is more for like intermediate to advanced investors who know what they're doing and have a good grounding in finance, because the risks are a lot bigger with that. So steer clear of CFDs if you are a beginner. Then here we have the invest, which as I said is like normal trading or investing, and then you've got ISA. So if you don't have a stocks and shares ISA already and you're looking to invest, then this is probably how you want to do it, because you can invest up to £20,000 for free. Tax-free, I should say, if you're based in the UK, as long as it's within the bracket of a stocks and shares ISA. But as I have a stocks and shares ISA elsewhere, I don't use this method. And then down here you can see as well we've got like how much is in the account, including free funds, which is not invested, and the amount that's in the portfolio. So I like how that's quite clear, but if you don't know what you're doing, then it can be kind of difficult to know where to navigate to. So like on here, you've got all the different companies that you can invest in. You've got their current prices as well. Something that I do like about Trading 212 is, as I said, it's easy. But something that I don't like is the amount of information that's on here. So for example, if you go into Barclays, it has a good pricing on there. You can see like how much it's changed, how much the price has changed over the past week, month, 3 months, year maximum. And then it's got a few company details down here. So it's got like a bit of a biography of kind of like what the company is, what they do. So if you're completely new, this could be like a good kind of basic grounding and knowledge of what the company does. It says CEO, number of employees, basic kind of information that you would need, as well as some key ratios and basic financials. So it does have a decent amount of stuff there. You've got full income statement, full balance sheet, all cash flows. I think something that I would like to see on Trading 212, and maybe probably my biggest disadvantage of Trading 212, is not having enough like research and news on there. There's no like news section as far as I'm aware on kind of what's going on with each particular company, and that would be really useful to have as an investor. So that's kind of the basic things. And then down here on the next one we have the pie tab. So this can be split. As you can see, my portfolio is not doing very good, but I'm going to save that for the meme stock video, which you can check out up here somewhere. So you've got down here two sections. So investments, this shows everything that you're currently invested in and like the percentages and how everything's doing. But also, and what this is something that's happened fairly recently, is Trading 212 pies. So if we click in here, basically this is a really cool feature because it allows you to kind of set different allocations of different stocks, ETFs, shares through it, which is always nice. But you can put them in a pie, and then you can put, so say you wanted to have 4 companies into a pie, you could then create a pie. So if I go down here and then I press plus, so let's say that I wanted to put 3 popular stocks into a pie. So if I want to put Tesla in, I want to put Amazon in, and I want to put Apple in. So I want 3 different stocks into this pie, and then it tells you on here 30.68 annual average return based on 5-year performance. Of course, that doesn't mean that it will do that every year. So if we allocate it like this, it will put 34% of however much you put into the overall pie into Apple, 33% in Amazon, 33% in Tesla. So then if you press next, and then you can have it so auto invest as well. So if you have money coming into your account like every month, you do pound cost averaging. So if you get money from your bank or you get paid every month, you could pay in like £100 or £200 every month and set this to auto invest into your pie. So you don't need to do anything, it's already done, as long as you kind of know what you're investing in, if that makes sense. Or you can invest manually using the money in your account, and then you can call it something. And if you want to, you can share the pie as well. So I'm gonna exit that because I don't want to use that. So down here you can see the Max versus subscribers challenge down there, which again, if you want to check out, there's a link on the screen. So then the search function, that's something that I actually like, which is quite good because you've got stocks up here and you've got ETFs. So clear kind of differentiation between the two, and again, they're kind of summarized and headed down here as well. So if you want to search for something, it's very easy. I'm not going to explain to you how to search for a stock or something like that, but you can search for the symbol, for example. So Apple is AAPL. So if you want to do that, it will pop up there as well. So that's nice, and that's pretty nice. One thing that I don't like, and maybe a disadvantage of trading 2-on-2, is that there aren't a huge amount of stocks. Most of the main ones are there that you would want to be there, like your bigger ones, and also some kind of penny stocks. I mean, if you're into that, don't get involved in penny stocks if you're brand new and you're a complete beginner. But there's, like I said, there's a lot of different stocks there, but if you wanted to get more into it, maybe there's some other platforms out there where you can invest into a wider range of stocks and ETFs. But this is a good kind of beginner level app which you can use to invest into stocks and shares. Something that I will mention at this point is the costing structure. So trading 2-on-2, one big advantage of trading 2-on-2 is it's free to open an account. It's free to download on the App Store as well. It's nice and easy, managed everything via the app on your phone, and the fees are really, really low as well. So you don't pay any commission for actually like making trades, or so for buying like one Amazon stock, you wouldn't pay any commission for that, whereas with other providers you probably would. So this is one big advantage of trading 2-on-2. However, there are some small, very minor fees. So you have to pay 0.5% stamp duty on UK FTSE-based stocks, but you don't have to pay anything for the US stocks. And there are, if you want to check out the costing, the full costing of trading 2-on-2, you can do this on their website, and I'll leave a link in the description. Another thing that you can do with trading 2-on-2, another advantage, is that you can use it to buy fractional shares. So you could buy like 1.5 shares of Tesla, for example. If we go here, and then look, I could buy 0.2 shares of Tesla if I wanted to do that. It's nice and easy to do. You're not limited to go 1, 2, 3, etc., which is another nice advantage of trading 2-on-2. So moving on from the pies thing earlier, what you can also do on trading 2-on-2, I mentioned that you can share your pies. There's if you click on the people symbol down here, the fourth one down, you can find pies that other people have already made, and you can copy them into your own portfolio if you want to do that. It's nice and easy to do. So let's say we want to do this one. You could literally click on it and press copy pie. People have commented on it as well. I know there's lots of other personal finance YouTubers. So I know that Paul Briscoe, his pie is on here as well, which that one, I watch his channel. He does some great personal finance videos. But yeah, you can copy pies, so like if you want to do that, and again, these are categorized at the top for nice and easy access as well. So that is something really, really good, which sets trading 2-on-2 apart, and something a bit unique, which other providers don't have. And then finally, we have this tab on the far right-hand side, which I think is one of the most interesting ones. So if you click on here, so on here you can see, like I said, those bits at the top. So you've got the ISA, the CFD, and Invest. You've also got a get free shares thing. So that's basically if you refer people, then If you want to sign up for Trading 212, by the way, there'll be a link in the description and in the pinned comment on how you can do that, and you will get a free share worth up to £100, and I will also get a free share as well. So you can share this referral link as many times as you want, and for every new person that uses your link, then basically you both get a free share. So win-win. So on your manage funds bits, that's where you can kind of add money in and put money into your account. On videos, this is actually quite a good one. So if you're a complete beginner, Trading 212 has made a series of videos on like how to buy a stock or how to buy a share. If you're not satisfied with this tutorial already, which hopefully you are, but there's a good range of videos and they on their YouTube channel as well as down here on like investing. So that's good if you want to learn. You've got a hot list. So when it loads, you've got a hot list. So this shows like which stocks are popular, how many people own each one. So that can be quite good as well if you want to look at that. Economic calendar, so showing what events are coming up and any earnings and stuff. You can set a price alert on a particular stock. So if you're looking to buy at a certain price, you can set an alert when that happens. So you can go, oh, actually, I might buy that. Notifications tells you when anything important happens or when you make a trade or something's executed on your behalf. And then other kind of things, and the chat is very helpful if you want any help with the Trading 212 app. So when you are making a trade on Trading 212, you invest your funds to buy a stock, but Trading 212 limits the amounts of funds that you can put into a stock to 95%. So for example, if you wanted to buy, like for ease, let's say Tesla was £100 and you had £100. So you want to spend £100 on your Tesla share. You wouldn't be able to do this because Trading 212 would only let you have like 95%. So you could invest in something up to £95. So you could buy like 95% of a Tesla share, but you couldn't buy one. And that for me is a bit frustrating, but I mean, there must be a reason why they do that, probably to do with the funding kind of their side and some fees maybe. And then like I said earlier as well, you can switch to the practice account. So if you scroll all the way down on this far right tab, you can press switch to practice. And this basically means that you don't put actual money on and you can kind of practice using like, I think it gives you £50,000 of like fake money to use and like invest. So if you want to get used to Trading 212, you can do that by doing that. So that's a really good way to kind of get started. And like I said, if you use the referral link in the description, then you can get a free real stock while you practice, and maybe that will help you as well. So overall, what are my thoughts? Well, I think Trading 212 is a really good app for beginner traders such as like myself, who I've not been like trading all my life or anything like that. And I think that it's quite a comprehensive platform. Like I said, it doesn't offer maybe as much research as I would like to kind of go, and I have to go elsewhere to find out all the things I want to find out about a stock and what's happened with it and why it may or may not be a good investment. But I think on the whole, I like the Pi feature. I like how you can kind of automate deposits. I like how you can kind of copy different things. I think it's a really nice overall good app. So overall, I give this 4.8 stars out of 5. So if you're interested in any other kind of investing apps and you want me to do any kind of reviews on those as well, be more than happy to do that. I'm planning to do one on Vanguard as well coming up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you like this one, check out another one of the 2 videos that is on your screen right now. And I will see you in the next one.